Hope it isn't too annoying that I keep having to, cut things short for the time thing. Okay, so let's start doing something more interesting. So we want a border around all our H3s and H1s. Now we want the border to be about 2 pixels, which is the measurement you use in CSS and HTML as pixels. So 2 is very small. Then you're going to tell it you want it solid. You can have dashed or rounded or whatever. Then let's put an RGBA value in there of 0, 0, 255, which should be all blue if I remember correctly. Let's say we want to make that border fairly transparent. Okay. Now let's set the order radius. Now what this does is it rounds the borders. I'm not sure how they got to radius from it, but the higher the value you give it, the more rounded the borders are. So let's for now say 7 pixels, right? Okay. What else do we want to do? Let's say we want to do some padding, which is, giving it a bit of space. It's not going to be against the edge of what it would be. It would be a bit further away. So let's make it that 10 pixels as well, so that it won't be right up against the side. It'll scooch it over a little. And let's say we want to give them specifically a background color of, what shall we say, RGBA. Let's do the same as the border, just make it like way more transparent. See what that does. CSS, unless you have like all of these things memorized, is gonna be a lot of trial and error. Okay, so let's see what that's done to our H1s and H3s, which let's just have a look over here. No, wrong one. This one. So where do we have an H1? We have that header over there is an H1. The TLDR is an H3. The full version is an H3. Mood journal is H3. So all of those should, in theory, be changed now. So let's have a look. If we refresh this, there we go. All the H1s have their little borders. As you can see, we gave it a little bit of a rounding to the edge. H2s have remained the same. H3s have been changed. Now, this demonstrates what I was telling you earlier. Because this is a lot more specific than just saying body. If we say background color over here and background color over here, it's gonna listen to the one that's more specific. So it overrules whatever it says there. It says, no, this one's more specific. I'm listening to this one.